My name is Zach Schoenherr. I'm the property manager here at Hovey Lake Fish and Wildlife Area. Hovey Lake Fish and Wildlife Area is a Indiana Department of Natural Resource property. One of the main purposes of this property is to offer an area for outdoor recreation for many different user groups. The property itself is located in extreme southwest Indiana at the confluence of the Ohio and the Wabash River. The property is 7,500 acres and offers large and small oxbow lakes across the property, as well as cypress sloughs, open marshlands, bottomland hardwoods, and also some floodplain woods. One of our big objectives here at the property is to offer high quality fish and wildlife habitats.
Hi, my name is Kaila Knies. I'm the Regional Specialist with Southern Indiana Cooperative Invasives Management, and I cover 16 counties in southern Indiana, including Posey County, which is where Hovey Lake is located. Japanese Chaff Flower is an invasive species that was first discovered in North America in Kentucky in 1980. It was first reported in Indiana in 2002, and it is now located in all the counties in Indiana along the Ohio River. It has a simple opposite leaf with a very distinct venation that looks like a dogwood leaf. It will bloom from end of July to early August, and it will get an erect spike of flowers which do not have petals. And on each one of the fruits or seeds, there will be two stiffed bracts that allow it to cling to the threads in clothing and in animal fur. Japanese Chaff Flower will have red nodes, which are most distinct in young seedlings and in the late fall when the plant goes dormant and leaves a yellow to brownish spike, and the plants will hold on to its seeds and stay erect all winter long until animals, people, flooding, or snow cover will knock them down.
So one of our main purposes here at the property is to offer high quality wildlife habitat. And that's when Japanese chaff flower and other non-native plants become a problem for us. Japanese chaff flower is an invasive plant that we've seen come onto the Hovey Lake Fish and Wildlife Area property in the past few years. It's a wetland invasive plant. It's often spread by seed floating down rivers or seed attached to fur from different animal species. We've seen this pop up on the property roughly 3 years ago. We're located in the floodplain, so every time we get a flood here, we see a lot more seed deposited on the property. We're in the early stages of a program to help control this plant. To date, we have done treatments with triclopyr, glyphosate, imazapyr. We've had good results killing individual plants in small populations, but haven't developed a program to totally control this plant on the property. One thing we're looking to do in the next year or two is develop a better program for control. One aspect of that is mapping the entire population or population segments across the property, and then getting into more of a detailed treatment program. Behind me here, we've done a few test plots trying out different herbicides to see what kind of success rates we may have controlling the Japanese chaff flower. We did 3 different test sites. One, we did 2% glyphosate, and the other test site we did 2% triclopyr, and then finally the last one was 2% imazapyr. A few days after treatments, we can see the glyphosate plant starting to droop a little bit, the triclopyr really starting to droop the plants and even folding some, and the imazapyr hasn't showed any real effects yet.